Hi everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to elevate your website navigation with an off-canvas menu using the ElementsKit Header Offcanvas widget. It only needs a couple of minutes. Let's get started. First, make sure you have ElementsKit installed. From your WordPress dashboard, go to ElementsKit, Widgets. Find the Header Offcanvas widget, ensure it's toggled on, and click Save Changes. Open the page or post you want to edit in Elementor. Simply search for the Offcanvas widget, drag it into your desired column, and let's jump into the settings. In the Content tab, under Header Offcanvas, you can set the overlay color and choose your Hamburger menu type. Select from Only Icon, Only Text, or both. You can also define the gap between the icon and text, and toggle on Disable Scroll to keep the background fixed when the menu is open. Next, move to Offcanvas settings. Here, you can choose your transition style between a smooth slide or a sleek fade, and set the exact transition duration to match your site's speed. Now, let's head to the Style tab. You can customize the color and background for both normal and hover states. Adjust the icon size, fine-tune the typography, and set your alignment, padding, and border radius to make the toggle button perfectly match your brand. With the toggle styled, it's time to design the panel. Click the menu icon in your editor to reveal the panel, then click the Edit Content option. You can design from scratch or choose a ready-made template. For this tutorial, we've added a mega menu template. Once your content is set, go back to the Widget's Style tab and open the Offcanvas Panel settings. Here, you can define the panel width, select the background type, choose the opening direction, and adjust the padding for a clean layout. Now, let's configure the Close button. Head back to the Content tab, and under the Header Offcanvas option, select your Close button type. Again, choosing between icon, text, or both, and selecting your preferred icon. Finally, move to the Style tab, and under the Closed option, you can style the Close button just like the menu icon. Set your colors, typography, icon size to ensure it's easy for users to navigate. And that's it! You've built a fully customized professional off-canvas menu. Preview your design to see the smooth transitions in action. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the WP Met channel for more Elementor tips. Thanks for watching!